Can't do it. Cannot fold granny panties. Face it, Aaron. This promo's not paying off. I say we cut our losses while we still have some dignity.
My sneaky was full when I started that back rub.
Oh, boys!
Listen, Grandma Maggie.
I got you something.
Is it a video game?
Open it.
A rock.
Rocks. It's a pumice stone. For my feet. Go on, check out the bottom of the box.
Half a $50 bill.